sweet home. When money and love is sweet. Pepper story. So brother man go got the liver. Call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Far away. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. She enter Atlanta. She go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. Yeah, yeah.
So hi guys, what's up? How you doing? No, this one, no. Scratch that. Say, scratch that. Let's do another introduction. So hi guys, what's up? How you doing? Woo! Ray and paper over here, guys. I have a visitor in the house, but nimemtoroka. That's why I'm doing introduction outside here. But anyway, I like this place. Someone is around here. Yeah, Toto is practicing. So, guys, what did I want to tell you? So, today, you guys all know Idris. Idris is my best friend, my kababa, our kababa.
Our kababa is my best friend ever.
Yeah, so he's in Nairobi visiting. He lives in Diani. He's an origin of there, but he has come to visit us because we have been away from Diani for a long time. Of course, he misses us, so he came to visit us. But also, so I've set up something for him today. Today, yeah. So the cake is about to arrive. I think the cake will come before anything else. So I'll show you the cake, guys, first, and then after that, now is when I know anything. I'm just surprising him. So let's flow with these vibes. I just came to do the introduction outside here so that he doesn't know anything.
Surprise me.
Yeah, I'll surprise you.
Okay.
Pepper, see you. It's already your birthday past. See, I made for you a birthday. Did you enjoy?
Yeah. I want unicorn birthday.
Yeah, we get unicorn cake today.
Okay.
Okay.
Uncle, but the brother's going to bring for me the unicorn cake.
Yeah, I will bring. Happy birthday for Pepper.
Yeah. And then they feed mommy and then they
Mambo. Asante. Uko sikia vizuri nini? Asante sana. Mambo. 1 o'clock in the midnight, after midnight. She sleeps very late. This one is a night runner. They want you to go for their birthday. You're going to go for the birthday?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, sangapi? To you. Yeah! Happy birthday, dear Idris. Our surprise has come.
Our surprise has come.
Yeah, we are having a movie.
Having a movie.
Outside in a bubble and dinner.
Dinner.
That's his surprise.
Surprise.
Surprise for this gangster.
For this paper and this gangster.
So much, my best friend.
Thank you, gangster. Thank you, mommy, my best friend.
So, what do you think about the surprise?
It's amazing because
It's amazing now. It's amazing.
Oh, you're happy?
I'm happy. I'm happy today. I'm happy. I'm happy, mommy.
So happy birthday to Uncle Idris.
And Peppa.
So let's enjoy the night, guys.
And Peppa, happy birthday.
I have called the deco people, like it's the party organizers. It's called Picnics by Njoki. Yeah, Picnics by Njoki. They came early, so they're going to make the bubble for the whole night, and then they're going to leave it here for the whole night. They will come pick it up tomorrow morning. So we'll be watching movies the whole night outside. I wish it was a full moon day, but unfortunately it's not, kwa sababu mkijana hapa amepewa off ya leo ya hii time.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's off, yeah. How are you enjoying Nairobi so far?
Nairobi so far si mbaya, iko poa sana. Yeah, so far places tumeenda tumefika. Tumekuwa too lit na tumeenjoy za kutosha and I feel good, so I'm expecting more.
I love you guys. I love you.
So tell them to subscribe, like and
Chanya.
comment.
Like, comment as well.
Yeah, viambieni Uncle Idris hapa,
And
best
Peppa.
friend, happy birthday.
Best
From
friend.
our gang. Just wish him a happy
For me.
birthday.
And for you.
Ameturn how old? Old enough.
For them, for
Sasa
you.
tuangalie na hii your stuff, binoculars. Inaitangwa binoculars.
Yeah, binoculars.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna be having that. I think we're just going to order the food from Uber Eats and then just enjoy the night. As you have seen, we have a cake. All that we don't have is champagne. I don't know, but Idris doesn't drink. Idris, you drink?
I don't
I'm not drink soda. I'm not drink soda.
Oh, ni Trump mwingine.
I'm not
Oh,
drink soda.
yeah, and you're going to drink soda for Peppa.
For Peppa.
Yeah, Peppa Mado. So let's go and see how they are setting up. It's gonna be on the rooftop, guys. This our rooftop is saving me a lot. That's why I came back to this place. This rooftop. So it has even a door. So we are going to lock it and we're gonna spend the night there. Ha ha ha. Like, are you kidding me? Tonight is gonna be a good night. Don't boom. Na 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 na. And I like my body tonight. So guys, this is the setup. The setup is setting up. Peppa, look. Peppa, look, rooster. Peppa, look, rooster. Wow, you want? Leo ni siku ya kuchinja.
Even as we have.
Hi, mama. How are you?
Picture perfect.
Ate?
Why?
The vibe is vibing. The vibe is vibing already. Haki hizo stairs. Peppa alikuwa amekataa kubaki peke yake.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver starts to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, make what I got in me to go far away, far away.
Inaitangwa lava buzz.
Till I make you come
Eh?
go far away, far away, yeah. See, I'm looking for a sister. You're my lover. She enter Atlanta. She go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. You're my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance. Assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance.
Pale zile movies tutawatch leo alafu loud. Hakuna kuogopa mtoto anaamka.
Music for the God.
You have to wear your shoes and then go inside. Shoes.
Love is sweet, oh. When money and talent is sweet. That bad story. So brother man go got the liver. All the needs are.
Wow, guys.
Till I make you
We are
come
here.
go far away.
The setup is already done. We're watching the sunset. Oh, inside here with my little girl. Peppa has refused to not to shower. You'll shower, Sindio? But you have refused even to play with your friends. You want to stay with mommy. So we're having some wine and pepper juice. And yeah, look at that. Here is where you're going. Today we are going to watch what? Rich, Young and Famous. And then
I'm going to watch Mona.
yeah, Mona also. Wallahi God, thank you Jesus. Idris is taking a shower. Look at this. I'm in heaven. This is a plan, guys. This is a plan. Like, if you want to surprise someone, something chilled, just the two of you, intimate one, like, this is a plan. Can't wait to see how it's gonna be looking at night. So we'll go take the shower after the sunset I mean, because yeah, I'm late. We can't do the sunset photos. The golden hour is now. I'm not showered, so we can do the golden hour for morning, since this place will still be on. Yeah. Like, small things like this excite me, and I know will make me happy for a longer time. Like, I'd rather do such things than maybe go out and eat and drink. It's become monotonous. Anyway, guys, to good life. Cheers, Pepper.
Yeah.
With the other one. Cheers to good life all the time.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath deep down.
Wow, babe, I feel like I'm in a dream. Like, seriously, for real, guys, I live in my dreams. Because I was like, what the fuck? We're gonna be watching what? Young, Famous, Rich, and... By the way, we're going to put a mattress here today. We're gonna sleep here. Cindy, Egypt. Kuita nini? So guys, we're trying to order food on Uber Eats. Idris wants to drink burgers, so that's what we are going to have, courtesy of the birthday boy. Today he says anything goes, okay? So yeah, as we watch my favorite movie, Rich, it's called Rich Asians, something Crazy Rich Asians. Yeah, I like this movie. Now already nimelewa. Pepper actually is outside. Pepper ako kwa birthday party amealikwa. Anyway, let's do this order so that we can get some food to eat. Hey! Woo! Yeah, love. You are my African queen.
I am
My dream.
I'm so sorry to serve
I will serve. I'll give you
My heart, my soul, my heart and body.
everything for I'm an African queen for real.
Don't you have yourself?
You're going to hurt yourself, yeah.
My dream, the girl of my dream.
So guys, I bought this stuff from Neighbors. So guys, subscribe to my channel and see subscribe I see this movie. It's good for you. And then you see it. Let me show you this game.
Boom. Every time is a brand new day. Every time that I see your face.
Everything I'm about to do, and I can't do that. I'm in section solo, baby. Working on self-control, baby. No. Finna get anti-social. Damn, you know I hate love, but I can't close.
So guys, Uber Eats didn't work, so we are going out to look for food. Birthday boy, gangster, and birthday girl, drama queen. Gangster and drama queen. And that's cool. Oh guys, this would have been a plan, but it's closed. Everywhere is closed. But I really wanted this. We are going to come and have this tomorrow. Before the end of the vlog, I will show you the food from here. Hata bedhe mbona tuja vlog huko ndani tuoneshe hizo the Shark Attack thing inakaa tu yummy. You know, even yesterday at BBS they had the same. But wewe ukiinsist unataka hiyo machakula zimespoil huko kwa kuku sijui nini. Ni kwa sababu nilikuwa nataka tu kule hiyo. I should have just had that Shark Attack yesterday. Here they have KFC. So guys, even McFries have fungad. Like what's happening to Nairobi? Past 10 you can't get anywhere open. This must change in Nairobi. Aki Dubai ukitaka chakula at 3 in the morning unapata. Uko na Diani, what's the difference? Huh? Hapa ndani utatusimamisha hapo kwa barabara tuongee na huyo mzee. Hi. There's some crusher. Valentine's Cake House. Outdone yourself. Mr. Skeleton. So guys, this is the cake from Valentine's Cake House. Inside is chocolate lemon flavor. Outside it's minty. Oh my god, it looks exactly like the inspo. I'll put the inspo here and the cake. Fantastic. These guys make the best cake. Valentine Cake House never disappoints. So do you like the cake, Pepper?
Yeah, yucky. Tag it.
Happy birthday, Idris Kababer.
And Peppa.
And paper. Now let's cut the cake. Happy birthday, dear Kababa. Happy birthday, dear Kababa. Birthday, dear Kababa. Happy birthday, dear Kababa. Happy birthday, dear Kababa. Happy birthday, dear Kababa. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Kababa. And baby Peppa. Woo! Hip hip.
Away.
Hip hip.
Away.
Now make a wish.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Woo! You did it. Now cut it. Hey, cut it. Peppa ni party. Ni party whatever. Hawezi sahau ni. Ndi anatuorganize hapa. Peppa. Haka kamse. Haka kamtu dangerous sana. Leta nini kuchukue.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us?
Go where?
My heart was made out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. 'Cause
I want to feed him. Okay. To feed you. Oh, okay, come I feed you, Mama. Wow. Before, go feed Uncle Idris. This one. Good girl. Tell him happy birthday. Say live long.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Shirtless guy in the morning.
Good morning, come Peppa. How was your night? Sleepy.
Tungekunywa chai hapa. Tukunywe chai hapa. Sasa utakunywaje chai na umetoka kunywa pombe wewe? Good morning. Wow, the sunrise is sunrising on you guys. Hey, it's cold. Chapa.
Yuki said.
Peppa, you smell people like that car.
I'm having too much fun here.
You look like you're in Alaska and we look like we're in Diani. So guys, yesterday as we went to look for food, by the way Uber Eats failed us terribly. Ati we made an order alafu waka cancel huko Drip Burger. Sasa we entered the Uber from and before, that guy was sleeping at the petrol station in the car. So it's like he had eaten something bad. Something expired.
Something good oily.
Now he was sleeping and farting, sleeping, farting, farting. So when,
Look at this. Look at this.
when he got our request, he came and he didn't open the window. So when we
open the door. Hiyo mshuto ikatosha. Mimi kwa kichwa nikafikiria, in my head I was like, do I enter this thing or we don't enter this thing?
Disgusting.
And then Pepper was like, you know, kids are like,
There's too much fatty on the car, and then she opened the door.
who was that was spotted in the car? But because he has been in the car, he can't smell the car is smelling bad. He's not even opening his windows. Us here behind. Mimi nimekufa na mshuto huko. Yanuka vibaya, tumbo yangu ikafura, nikaanza kushuta hata mimi. And we are going to take food. Sasa luckily at KFC is where when we are picking up the delivery, where you do the pickups, that chip smell ikaingia kwa gari, hiyo mshuto ndio ikatoka, but otherwise ilikuwa imekataa kutoka mshuto kwa gari. God, I'm suffering. Give me my own car. I have to deal with men's poo fat in their cars.
Smell poo dirty.
So the whole way Pepper was asking, alikuwa anauliza nini Idris? Alikuwa anauliza nini?
Yo, Karura, and then she's going to be party.
Mimi nilikuwa nakufa kwa gari nikisikia ati who has what poo?
You smell poo.
You.
Who what poo? Uncle Idris is sleeping on my hair. Ati who part poo?
This.
Pepper. So me the whole way. I went laughing. My night was made, but my stomach was spoiled. Alafu bado tukachukua ma chips tukakulia kwa hiyo gari tukasahau tulikwenda nuka.
And then I'm going to eat this one fat, and then Pepper's going to be party. I think they say.
So guys, it's around balloons are falling, they are bursting because it's hot. It's around 12. So this guy has called me, he's told me he's coming now to take the thing. So yeah, we have had it for more than 24 hours. Not 24 hours, more than 12 hours. Almost 24 hours. So that's what I'm waiting for. He's coming. Everything went well. I enjoyed this experience. Wow, it's really nice. The projector, the what. I just had fun. I loved it. Every bit of it. So I don't even know from this we do what, like this was nice. So contact Picnic Banjoke. She goes anywhere and everywhere, and she does a good job, good communication, good business. Yani she handles you very nicely, like fast. So this is the aftermonths.
She got me red-handed, creeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the
Our chef
bathroom
for
floor.
today is
How
chefing.
could I forget that all this time?
So we are cooking with Idris Kababa.
Oh, you pretty woman, access to your villa. Trespass on a weakness, all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Yes, you do the situation that you call the winner. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit
Hi
to
guys.
and if she claim her, tell her
Cooking
baby, no.
potatoes into dirty, and then you go to this one. And then this one is dry.
Yeah.
And then this guy is so good.
I told you to show here. Show the carrot here. This is the camera. You see, if I put your hand here. But if I put here, you see, don't come. You have to put your hand here. So if you want to show something, you put the carrot there. That's the camera.
Good girl. You're becoming a small YouTuber. Subscribe, subscribe. Say subscribe, subscribe. Subscribe.
It was these potatoes from
The road.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, gave me so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. 'Cause the remedy, I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had
Guys,
to
I'm telling
live,
you.
I had
Nyama imechemshwa tu, lakini tamu kama nini. Hiyo eti? Carrot.
Sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shown you better nights, better
Too much
times,
noise.
better days.
And then here a lot of noise too. So guys, we are going to Karura Forest. That's the plan today, and then later on I think we're gonna pass by two rivers. The Uber is calling, so let's go. Nimetuma Gabriel.
Thank you.
Tukuli saizi. Atazi. Unaweza chukua? Put it. Yeah. Okay, put it off. We walk. Now the arrow is saying this side. You see the arrow is saying like this. So we go this side. Running, running. You a guy. guys, we are finally at the not waterfront, waterfall. It's so gorgeous. It's our reward. It's the reward you get for a long walk. It's a long walk and steep. Yani inaenda juu chini, mulima na mabonde. So guys, let's get back to the other place. Not to the other place. Let's start getting out of this place. It's late. So I think I'll see you guys at the waterfront, at the two rivers. Kuhema tu ndio na hema. Acha nichukue. Make it on Christmas memories. Na na. Oh, 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 oh. Ha ha. Oh, 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 oh. No avoiding the stairs. Ate fish ziko hapa.
Give it to fish. Throw this one.
Sasa ni taste.
Yeah. I want sugar.
What should they get?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you. You're going here. You want?
In 300 meters at the roundabout, continue straight.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
I'm going to film. They are closing. They have said no more. We'll come another day.
Only you feel my body. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find why
You like it?
give you what you need.
It's fun.
I know what. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. yeah. I find I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess that I try to need you.
Guys, we are now at Two Rivers at the Big Eye, Nairobi Big Eye, as you see. Where that Karura forest, Nini, what do we call it? Trek, walk, was not walking. And then Pepper started crying. After we walked and today I'm sure I've walked from town maybe to Westlands. What? That was crazy. Hey, hata sitamani kufanya tena. So we found Two Rivers. It's Friday but it's empty. Of course nobody is here. So we're just gonna do this, and then most places are closed because Karura really wasted us. We walked and walked. Anyway, so we're just going to eat and then go sleep. Tomorrow we're supposed to go for polo. I don't know if we're gonna go because.
And then we go here to warrior. We go to this way to warrior.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I'll put for you.
Okay. Now just sit down.
Yes. Now you're eating makeup. Inawekwa kwanza kwa mdomo ndio inakuja kwa uso. Idris is going for tahamaki. Naitango auditions. You're going to audition for tahamaki. Wanajua watu wa kuoga. Saizi kwanza wakaa zombi kama tahamaki na hizo macho za red na face ya red. So good morning guys, it's a Sunday. Yesterday we rested. We were supposed to go for polo but we didn't. So outfit of the day, today we're going for brunch. So this is mine for baby P. We're getting ready. We don't want to be late for brunch. We're going to Radisson. So let's go, let's dress up and go.
So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, yeah. Say I am looking for a sister, Chuma my lover. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, Chuma my lover, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance.
We come through this side, Mama. We just come through this side.
My baby assurance.
I want to go swim. Peps. Uncle Idris. Okay, we go. one do you want? You want cheese, Mama? Pork ham. Cheers with yours. Your small one. Cheers with your small one. Cheers with this one.
No, where's the big one?
This is not juice. What do you want? French fries? You want small chips? You take small chips and sausages. You want sausage? What do you want? Donuts? Hi. Eh? But you have already eaten donuts. Now it's time for chips. At least you eat food. Unataka kukula unga tu. Look, marshmallows. After you eat small chips and then I give you marshmallows. Uncle will give you. It's okay. What are these? Chocolates. Oreos. You see? You eat food first and then you eat your favorite Oreo biscuits.
Also more Oreos. When you're done, you can have ice.
Come you see Oreo. See? You see? So you eat fast. Are you happy? Good girl. You'll eat now. Fast after food. Cindy. Come, I put for you. Where are the plates? Oh.
I can help you.
Thank you. But hizo French fries, mbona zinakaa?
Ziko fresh.
Ziko fresh?
Sana.
Na ni tamu?
Changes to guys. It's a local. That's nezana.
Kwa sababu ni wewe unapika hapa. Come you see, do 2 of this and 1 of that. She might eat. Let's see. So utaki ma chips? You got any California rolls? These ones, yeah? We have. Yeah, can I have a few? So mwambie atuletee pombe ingine. Mwambie another round. Put mine on chocolate. Ama you can put for me. We're going to enter there. To good life. Your body, ooh, anything. All my life I've been yours. Thank you. What are these?
These are old fashioned.
Old fashion. Unataka old fashion? Tujaribu old fashion eh. Tutakaa hapa na kuna ma cocktails zingine. Again. Round. Stop touching Popo. Come. It's for you. Hi. Anak nak shida. Niambie. Peppa, go up. I see you. Go. Go inside and go down and slide. Hey. Wewe. What is it? Mambo. Poa. Thank you. Hot pineapples. Hey, the rain, guys. The rain is raining. The rain. Guys, hey, the rain has made the reggae. They were like, nothing can stop reggae. Suddenly, everything has stopped. We talked way too fast, too early. You want this one? Ati wanasema hizi mimosa ndio za mwisho. Sisi tumebeba food. Hakuna mtu amebeba food kama sisi. Sana. Twende. Peppa. Peppa.
From Diani. That's me, man.
From Diani is where they... Peppa, no? We are going this side. We came with the lift up. Okay? Sele tulikuja carpet ilikuwa red. Ile carpet ilikuwa... I don't want anybody to touch your mother. Which are the carpet? You come on the black carpet. We see you. A black nigger. Wow, Peppa. That's so cute. Mzito.